Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the government lecturer recruitment notification, and these are the permanent jobs, and eligibility is the undergraduation or the post graduation. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Rajasthan Lok Seva Ayog, Ajmer. So in this one, the notification released on the 23rd November 2020. So the lecturer recruitment notification, and here you can check down the departments: civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, physics, English, chemistry and mathematics. And here as per the caste category also the vacancies are mentioned, and the total number of posts are 39. And coming to the age limit, here you can check down, see the eligibility here: bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent. If the candidate has a master's degree in engineering or technology first class or equivalent, is required at the bachelor's or the master's degree. Okay, or first class master's degree in appropriate subject with first class or equivalent at bachelor's or master's level for teaching post in the humanities and sciences. Okay, so these are the things. And coming to the percentages are mentioned here. Percentages and the corresponding grade point is mentioned. And coming to the age limit, the age limit is minimum 21 years and the maximum 40 years. And coming to the grade pay, 15,600 to 39,100. The grade pay 5,400 is there. And the age relaxation is also provided. So coming to the male candidates belonging to SC, ST and OBC and more backward class of Rajasthan state, 5 years. Women candidates belonging to general category and Rajasthan state's economically weaker section, 5 years. And the women candidates belongs to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward class and more backward class of Rajasthan state. Here it is 10 years. Okay, so these are the details. And widow and divorced women, there is no upper age limit. So these are the age limitations. And here the written examination will be there, that is objective. Based upon the written examination, the selection will be done. And coming to the starting date is 28th November 2020 and the last date is 27 December 2020, night 12 o'clock. And here the official websites are also given here. So I will provide this official websites links in the description box of this video. Okay. So for more accurate and the perfect details, please visit the website, guys. And here the application fees are also mentioned here. So you may check down. And coming to the scheme of competitive examination for the post of lecturer, subject concerned with the post 75 marks. Okay, paper 1 and paper 2 also subject concerned with the post, and paper 3 is general studies of Rajasthan, 50 marks. The total 200 marks will be there. Okay, and the interview shall carry the 24 marks to the extent of 3 times of total number of vacancies, and the syllabus of each paper shall be specified by the commission from time to time and will be intimated to the candidates within the stipulated time. Okay, so these are the details, guys. So for more accurate details, please once visit the official website that I will provide in the description box of this video. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan, okay? So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.